If you press a block of concrete, it becomes stronger. But if you try to bend it, it'll snap like a biscuit. It breaks very easily. So, to manage the weakness, we add steel reinforcement. Why? Because steel reinforcement or steel is strong in tension. So, when you put concrete and steel together, their strengths and weaknesses balance out. That's why almost every construction you see out there uses both. Now, here's where UHPC comes in. The tensile strength of UHPC is much higher than normal concrete, which means you don't need as much steel to take the same load. So you're reducing reinforcement, and in many cases, you're reducing the need for pre stressing or post tensioning, which we normally do to strengthen slabs or beams. That makes UHPC a very powerful material, not just strong, but smart. So, where is UHPC being used? UHPC is now being used heavily in infrastructure projects, especially in bridges, flyovers, highways, and high rise buildings. In Europe, the US, and Canada, it's already being used for years. Why? Because of its durability. Let me give you an example. In cold countries, concrete cracks due to the freeze thaw cycle. Water enters tiny cracks, freezes at night, expands, and then melts during the day. Over time, this damages the structure. UHPC solves this. Because its internal structure is so dense, there is hardly any space in between the particles, so water can't even enter it. That makes it almost waterproof and extremely durable. Now, UHPC is not just used for roads and bridges, it's also used in architectural projects as well, like external cladding, jalis, benches, planters, even bathroom fittings. Yes, bathroom fittings like wash basins, bathtubs, and counters. Why? Because people are fed up with the regular ceramic pieces that you get to buy now. UHPC can be molded into sleek, modern designs available in different finishes and colors that can handle hot and cold water with ease. And by applying sealer, you can also clean it very well. You can even get a stone like finish. And because it's precast, you can mass produce and sell it at scale.